Alright, so I've been testing 6x9 speakers all week. Doors off, volume up, neighbors mildly annoyed. If you're looking to upgrade your car audio without diving into amps and subs, this is the sweet spot. Today I'm breaking down 5 speakers that actually made me pause mid-drive and go, wait, that sounded clean, let's get into it. First up, the Pioneer A-Series TSA 6961F. I dropped these into a stock Honda door panel with 0 amp support, and they still pushed out a surprisingly full sound. Treble's smooth, no ear fatigue, even after a long drive, and the bass? Not subwoofer level, but it's got weight. What I loved most was the balance. Vocals sit right in the pocket, and the included adapters made install way less annoying than I expected. If you're upgrading from factory, this is a clean jump without needing extra gear. Now, the kicker, DSC6-930, these are punchy. I tested them in a compact SUV, and they instantly made podcasts sound more alive. Mids are tight, highs are crisp, and they don't distort unless you really push them. Bass is present but not boomy, which is perfect if you're not running a sub. They're 4 ohm, so they play nice with factory head units. Honestly, they're the most plug-and-play friendly of the bunch. Alright, now let's talk Rockford Fosgate Prime R169X2. I dropped these into a mid-size sedan with a stock head unit, no amp, and they held up surprisingly well. These are two-way coaxials, so you're getting a full range experience without the complexity. The highs are clean, not sparkly, but definitely not dull. Mids are solid, especially for vocals and acoustic tracks. Bass is present but not punchy. It's more of a warm thump than a deep rumble. What stood out most was how consistent they sounded across different genres. I ran everything from lo-fi to classic rock, and they didn't flinch. If you're upgrading from the factory and want something that won't blow your budget or your doors off, these are a safe bet. Okay, so the TSA 6966R is kind of the sleeper pick. I threw one into a single rear deck just to test, and it surprised me. It's not flashy, but the soundstage is wide. You get decent separation between instruments, and the treble doesn't spike even at higher volumes. It's a great option if you're mixing and matching or just want a reliable rear fill. Now for the wild card, the BOSSCH 6920 Chaos series. These are loud. Like, I can hear the snare from 2 blocks away, loud. I tested them in a budget sedan and they absolutely cut through road noise. The highs are sharp, the mids are aggressive, and the bass is more boom than finesse. If you want volume and don't mind a little coloration in the sound, these are fun. Not for purists, but definitely for party mode drivers. So here's the deal. Every speaker I tested has its own vibe. Some are clean and balanced, some are loud and rowdy, and some just make your drive feel like a rolling concert. If you've got a favorite setup or a sleeper pick I should test next, drop it in the comments. I've got more gear lined up, some sneaky 6.5s, subless builds, and a few budget combos that sound way better than they should. Hit subscribe, tap the bell, and I'll catch you on the next ride. Stay loud.